Longevity research is a fascinating field that delves into the secrets of aging and the quest for extending human lifespan. As scientists, we are constantly intrigued by the mechanisms that govern the aging process and how we can potentially slow it down or even reverse its effects. Aging is a complex biological phenomenon influenced by a combination of genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors. Understanding these factors is crucial in our pursuit of longevity. Did you know that the average life expectancy has increased significantly over the past century? This is largely due to advancements in healthcare, nutrition, and overall living conditions. However, there is still much to uncover about the intricacies of aging. Genetic factors play a significant role in determining our lifespan. Studies have identified specific genes that are associated with longevity, offering valuable insights into the genetic basis of aging. At the cellular level, aging is characterized by a gradual decline in cellular function and an accumulation of damage over time. Researchers are exploring various cellular mechanisms involved in aging, such as telomere shortening, oxidative stress, and cellular senescence. Lifestyle factors, including diet, exercise, and stress management, also play a crucial role in determining how we age. By adopting healthy habits, we can potentially delay the onset of age-related diseases and improve our overall quality of life. Longevity research is a dynamic and evolving field with promising prospects for the future. Scientists are continuously exploring new anti-aging strategies, from novel therapeutics to lifestyle interventions, with the goal of promoting healthy aging and extending lifespan. Join us on this exciting journey as we unravel the mysteries of longevity and strive to unlock the secrets of a longer, healthier life. The aging process is a natural and inevitable part of life that affects all living organisms, including humans. As we age, our bodies undergo a series of physiological changes that impact our physical appearance, cognitive function, and overall health. One of the key hallmarks of aging is cellular senescence, which refers to the gradual loss of cellular function and the accumulation of cellular damage over time. This can lead to a decline in tissue and organ function, making individuals more susceptible to age-related diseases. Another important aspect of aging is the shortening of telomeres, which are protective caps at the end of chromosomes that help maintain genomic stability. As telomeres shorten with each cell division, cells eventually reach a state of replicative senescence, where they can no longer divide. This contributes to the aging process and is associated with various age-related conditions. Oxidative stress is another factor that plays a significant role in aging. It occurs when there is an imbalance between the production of reactive oxygen species, ROS, and the body's ability to detoxify them. ROS can damage cellular components such as DNA, proteins, and lipids, leading to accelerated aging and increased risk of chronic diseases. In addition to cellular changes, aging is also influenced by genetic and environmental factors. While genetics play a role in determining our lifespan and susceptibility to certain age-related conditions, environmental factors such as diet, exercise, and exposure to toxins can either accelerate or decelerate the aging process. Interestingly, researchers have identified several longevity genes that are associated with extended lifespan in various organisms. These genes regulate key pathways involved in metabolism, stress response, and cellular repair, offering potential targets for anti-aging interventions. Overall, the aging process is a multifaceted phenomenon that involves a complex interplay of genetic, cellular, and environmental factors. By gaining a deeper understanding of these mechanisms, we can develop strategies to promote healthy aging and improve quality of life in later years. Genetic factors play a significant role in the aging process, influencing our susceptibility to age-related diseases and our overall lifespan. One of the most well-known genetic factors associated with aging is the ApoE gene. Variants of this gene have been linked to an increased risk of Alzheimer's disease, cardiovascular disease, and other age-related conditions. Another gene of interest is the FOXO3 gene, which has been identified as a longevity gene in several studies. Variants of FOXO3 have been associated with exceptional longevity in certain populations, highlighting the importance of genetic variations in determining lifespan. Additionally, the SIRT1 gene, which encodes a protein involved in regulating cellular metabolism and stress response, has been linked to the aging process. Activation of SIRT1 has been shown to extend lifespan in various model organisms, suggesting its potential as a target for anti-aging interventions. Interestingly, studies have also identified the role of mitochondrial DNA, mtDNA, in aging. Mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell and play a crucial role in energy production. Mutations in mtDNA can lead to mitochondrial dysfunction, increased oxidative stress, and accelerated aging. Furthermore, epigenetic changes, such as DNA methylation and histone modifications, can influence gene expression patterns and contribute to the aging process. These changes can be influenced by environmental factors and lifestyle choices, highlighting the intricate interplay between genetics and the environment in aging. Overall, genetic factors play a complex and multifaceted role in aging, shaping our susceptibility to age-related conditions and influencing our overall health span and lifespan. Cellular mechanisms of aging involve a complex interplay of molecular processes that contribute to the gradual decline in cellular function and the onset of age-related diseases. One key mechanism of aging is telomere shortening. Telomeres are protective caps at the end of chromosomes that shorten with each cell division. As telomeres reach a critical length, cells enter a state of replicative senescence, where they can no longer divide. This process contributes to tissue aging and is associated with various age-related conditions. Another important cellular mechanism of aging is mitochondrial dysfunction. Mitochondria are responsible for producing energy in the form of adenosine triphosphate, ATP, through oxidative phosphorylation. However, over time, mitochondrial DNA, mtDNA, accumulates mutations, leading to impaired mitochondrial function and increased production of reactive oxygen species, ROS. This oxidative stress can damage cellular components and accelerate the aging process. Additionally, cellular senescence plays a crucial role in aging. Senescent cells undergo irreversible growth arrest and secrete pro-inflammatory molecules, contributing to chronic inflammation and tissue dysfunction. The accumulation of senescent cells in tissues is associated with age-related diseases such as cancer, cardiovascular disease, and neurodegenerative disorders. Furthermore, alterations in autophagy, the cellular process responsible for degrading and recycling damaged organelles and proteins, have been implicated in aging. Declines in autophagic activity with age can lead to the accumulation of dysfunctional cellular components and the development of age-related pathologies. Interestingly, recent research has highlighted the role of epigenetic changes in the aging process. Epigenetic modifications, such as DNA methylation and histone acetylation, can regulate gene expression patterns and influence cellular function. Age-related changes in the epigenome have been linked to alterations in cellular metabolism, stem cell function, and immune response. Understanding these cellular mechanisms of aging is crucial for developing interventions to promote healthy aging and extend lifespan. By targeting key pathways involved in telomere maintenance, mitochondrial function, cellular senescence, autophagy, and epigenetic regulation, researchers aim to identify strategies to delay the onset of age-related diseases and improve overall health span. The role of lifestyle in longevity cannot be overstated, as our daily habits and choices have a profound impact on how we age. One of the key factors in promoting longevity is maintaining a healthy diet. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins provides essential nutrients and antioxidants that help protect against age-related diseases. For example, the Mediterranean diet, characterized by high consumption of olive oil, fish, and nuts, has been associated with lower rates of heart disease and cognitive decline. Regular physical activity is another crucial component of a healthy lifestyle. Exercise not only helps maintain physical fitness and muscle strength, but also improves cardiovascular health, reduces inflammation, and enhances cognitive function. Studies have shown that individuals who engage in regular exercise have a lower risk of chronic conditions, such as diabetes, obesity, and hypertension. Managing stress is also important for promoting longevity. Chronic stress can contribute to the development of age-related diseases by increasing inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Practicing relaxation techniques such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises can help reduce stress levels and improve overall well-being. Additionally, getting an adequate amount of quality sleep is essential for healthy aging. Sleep plays a critical role in cellular repair, immune function, and cognitive performance. Poor sleep quality has been linked to an increased risk of obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. By adopting a balanced and health-conscious lifestyle that includes a nutritious diet, regular exercise, stress management, and sufficient sleep, we can optimize our chances of living a longer and healthier life. Current research on anti-aging strategies is a rapidly evolving field that holds promise for extending human lifespan and improving health span. Scientists are exploring a variety of approaches to target key mechanisms of aging and age-related diseases. One area of focus is the role of cellular senescence in aging. Senescent cells accumulate with age and secrete pro-inflammatory molecules, contributing to chronic inflammation and tissue dysfunction. Researchers are investigating senolytic drugs that selectively target and eliminate senescent cells, with the goal of rejuvenating tissues and delaying age-related pathologies. Promising preclinical studies have shown that clearance of senescent cells can improve physical function, extend lifespan, and reduce the burden of age-related diseases. Another anti-aging strategy under investigation is the modulation of the mTOR pathway. mTOR is a key regulator of cellular growth and metabolism, and dysregulation of this pathway has been implicated in aging and age-related diseases. Inhibition of mTOR signaling has been shown to extend lifespan in various model organisms, suggesting its potential as a target for anti-aging interventions. Researchers are also exploring the role of autophagy in aging. Autophagy is a cellular process that degrades and recycles damaged organelles and proteins, promoting cellular health and longevity. Enhancing autophagic activity through caloric restriction, exercise, or pharmacological agents has been shown to improve cellular function, delay age-related decline, and increase lifespan in animal models. Additionally, the gut microbiome has emerged as a key player in aging and longevity. The trillions of microbes that inhabit our gastrointestinal tract influence various aspects of health, including immune function, metabolism, and inflammation. Studies have shown that age-related changes in the gut microbiome are associated with frailty, cognitive decline, and chronic diseases. Modulating the gut microbiota through probiotics, prebiotics, or fecal microbiota transplantation may offer a novel approach to promoting healthy aging and extending lifespan. Overall, current research on anti-aging strategies is paving the way for innovative interventions that target the underlying mechanisms of aging and age-related diseases. By harnessing the power of senolytics, mTOR modulation, autophagy enhancement, and gut microbiome manipulation, scientists are working towards a future where aging is not just prolonged, but also accompanied by improved health and vitality. Future prospects in longevity research are filled with exciting possibilities and groundbreaking discoveries that have the potential to revolutionize healthcare and extend human lifespan. One promising area of research is the development of personalized anti-aging therapies. Advances in genomics, proteomics, and artificial intelligence are enabling scientists to tailor interventions based on an individual's genetic makeup, lifestyle factors, and health status. By identifying specific biomarkers of aging and targeting them with precision medicine approaches, researchers aim to optimize the effectiveness of anti-aging treatments and improve outcomes for patients. Another frontier in longevity research is the exploration of novel interventions that target the microbiome. The gut microbiota plays a crucial role in regulating immune function, metabolism, and inflammation, and its composition changes with age. Manipulating the microbiome through probiotics, prebiotics, or fecal transplants holds promise for promoting healthy aging and preventing age-related diseases. Additionally, the field of regenerative medicine offers exciting prospects for rejuvenating aging tissues and organs. Stem cell therapies, tissue engineering, and gene editing technologies are being developed to repair age-related damage and restore function to degenerating tissues. These approaches have the potential to revolutionize the treatment of age-related conditions such as osteoarthritis, heart disease, and neurodegenerative disorders. Furthermore, The integration of artificial intelligence and big data analytics is transforming longevity research by enabling the rapid analysis of vast amounts of biological data. Machine learning algorithms can identify patterns, predict outcomes, and uncover novel insights into the mechanisms of aging. By harnessing the power of AI, researchers can accelerate the pace of discovery and bring us closer to unlocking the secrets of longevity. In conclusion, the field of longevity research offers exciting prospects for extending human lifespan and improving health span. By targeting key mechanisms of aging, such as cellular senescence, mitochondrial dysfunction, and the gut microbiome, researchers are paving the way for innovative anti-aging interventions. Personalized therapies, regenerative medicine, and the integration of artificial intelligence are revolutionizing the way we approach aging and age-related diseases. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of longevity, one thing is clear: the future of aging looks brighter than ever, with the potential to transform healthcare and enhance quality of life for generations to come.